Got old furniture that needs a fresh start but not sure which sander will actually do the job? Whether you're smoothing down a dresser or getting into tight chair corners, picking the wrong tool wastes both time and money. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best sanders for refinishing furniture, covering power, precision, dust control, and price, so you can grab the right one and get to work. Number 1. Skill Corded Multifunction. Detail, sander. The Skill Corded Multifunction Detail. Sander is a dream for anyone tackling intricate furniture pieces. It comes with interchangeable attachments that let you reach tight corners, carved trim, and detailed edges that a regular orbital simply can't touch. The variable speed control gives you that fine-tuned feel you need when working on delicate surfaces. Its compact, ergonomic grip keeps your hand comfortable through longer sessions, and the microfiltration dust box does a solid job catching debris as you work. If you're restoring a detailed antique or refinishing furniture with lots of curves and crevices, this is the tool built for that job. A fantastic pick for intricate furniture refinishing work. Next up is the Skill 5. Random Orbital Sander, and honestly, this one earns the top spot on our list for most people refinishing furniture. The 2.8 ampere motor paired with variable speed gives you versatile control whether you're stripping old finish or doing a final smooth pass. What really sets it apart is the X-Flow Cyclonic Dust Management System. It's one of the best dust collection setups you'll find at this price point. Low vibration means your hand stays comfortable even on long sanding sessions, and the cyclonic dust box keeps your workspace clean without constant emptying. If you're only going to buy one sander for furniture refinishing, this would be it. Easily the best overall pick on this list. Number 3. DeWalt Random Orbit Sander. The DeWalt Random Orbit Sander steps things up for the serious DIYer or professional. Powered by a 3 ampere motor, it runs between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM, giving you real muscle for tackling thick old finishes or large furniture surfaces. The sealed switch protects against dust intrusion, and the textured grip keeps control even when things get dusty. Dust collection is flexible too. It comes with both a dust bag and a vacuum adapter, so you can hook it up to a shop vac for near-zero mess sanding. The low vibration design reduces fatigue during extended use, which pros will really appreciate. If you want a sander that's built to last and perform at a higher level, this is your best pro-grade option. Coming in at number 4 is the Wen Electric Detailing Palm Sander, and it's here for one reason. It gets the job done without draining your wallet. The triangular detail pad makes it easy to get into corners on furniture pieces, and its lightweight design keeps your hand from tiring out quickly. It's a single-speed machine, which keeps things simple, but does limit flexibility on delicate surfaces. Dust gets pulled through the dust port, so you'll want to attach a bag or keep a vacuum nearby. It's not the most feature-packed sander on this list, but for someone on a tight budget who needs a workable detail sander, it covers the basics. The cheapest workable detail option here, and it shows in the right ways. Number 5. Dongcheng 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Here's one you might not have heard of. The Dongcheng 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Don't let the unfamiliar name fool you. This sander punches well above its price tag with an approximately 3 ampere class motor and variable speed control. It even comes with sanding discs included, which is a nice bonus that saves you an extra trip to the hardware store. The ergonomic grip is comfortable to hold, and the dust bag keeps things reasonably tidy during use. It performs a lot like the better-known brands at a noticeably lower price, which makes it a genuine sleeper hit for budget-conscious furniture refinishers. A strong, hidden value pick that deserves way more attention. Number 6. Black Decker Detail Sander. The Black Decker Detail Sander is all about getting into the spots other sanders avoid. Its compact mouse-shaped design and finger attachment let you sand narrow grooves, spindles, and tight furniture corners with real precision. The 3-position grip gives you different angles to work from depending on what the job calls for. The integrated dust collector keeps the work area reasonably clean, and the whole unit is lightweight enough for extended use without hand strain. It's a trusted name, a solid design, and a detail-focused tool that delivers where it matters. Best pick if your furniture refinishing project involves a lot of corners and trim detail. Number 7. DecoPro Orbital Sander. The DecoPro Orbital Sander brings 3 ampere power and speeds up to 13,000 OPM to your refinishing projects at a budget-friendly price. That speed makes it one of the faster options on this list, great for removing old finish efficiently on flat furniture surfaces. The hook and loop disc system means swapping out sandpaper takes only seconds. Dust goes into a compact collection box, and the palm grip design keeps the sander feeling controlled and manageable. It's not the most refined tool here, but when you need raw sanding power at a low price, it delivers. A solid budget power sanding pick for larger flat surfaces. Number 8. Haichika Detail Sander. The Haichika Detail Sander rounds out the detail sander category as the budget specialist of the group. Variable speed control gives you more finesse than you'd expect at this price, letting you dial back on delicate surfaces and push harder when needed. Multiple sanding sheets are included, so you can start working straight out of the box. The lightweight body and ergonomic shape make it comfortable to handle on furniture detail work, and the dust collection box helps keep things manageable. It won't outperform the pricier options, but for the money, it does exactly what a detail sander should do. A reliable budget option for detail refinishing on a shoestring. Number 9. DecoPro Electric Sander. Cutting the cord, literally. The DecoPro Electric Sander runs on a 20-volt battery, giving you full freedom to sand wherever your furniture project takes you. Variable speed and a 5-inch pad mean it handles both rougher prep work and finer finish sanding without swapping tools. The integrated dust collection keeps things tidy even without a wall outlet nearby. It's a cordless convenience win, especially if you're working outdoors, in a garage with limited outlets, or just want less cable to manage. Battery life is reasonable for typical DIY sessions, making it a practical pick for casual home refinishers. Best cordless budget pick if portability matters to you. Closing out our list is the Vicandoint Cordless Electric Sander, a lightweight cordless option built for those who want maximum maneuverability on furniture projects. Variable speed and an included set of sanding sheets mean you're ready to roll right away. The rechargeable battery and compact size make it one of the easiest sanders on this list to pick up and move around. The built-in dust collector keeps things manageable, and the lightweight design reduces hand fatigue on longer sessions. It's not the most powerful sander here, but for touch-ups, light refinishing, or smaller furniture pieces, it gets the job done without fuss. A great lightweight cordless pick for casual furniture work. So there you have it, the 10 best sanders for refinishing furniture in 2026. If I had to pick 2 standouts, the Skill 5. Random Orbital is the best all-rounder, and the DeWalt is the top pro-grade choice. Check the links in the description to grab your pick. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Which sander caught your eye? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear.